Alright, so what we have here on cable grid is a 5-minute reversal. I mean, you can see the 1 is below the 2 on the 1 minute, and the 1 is below the 2 on the 5 minute. So it's making a hook pattern, right? That's your basic reversal multi-time frame pattern right there. Now there's a couple tweaks you can make, like whether you require the L1 and L2s to be crossed in this situation, or if you require the white zone to be collapsed or not in this situation, plus a few other settings as well. There's been a couple new additions also in 2020, so this is a good time. Basically, your entry mode can simply be you can enter at the 1 or the 5-minute box. Now, mostly 5-minute entries, 5-minute reversals, you're going to enter at the 5-minute box. I will probably, maybe at some future time, add an ability to scale in at the 5-minute box, so you can maybe start at the 1 and then add at the 5, because in a 5-minute reversal, the 1-minute chart, which I can't show you right at this moment because I've got this control panel open, the 1-minute trend should start making lower lows and lower highs and start working on a downtrend. It may not be a totally confirmed trend, but it should have started already making lower lows and lower highs on the 1 minute. And also it'd be nice to have a lower low on the 5-minute as well. So 5-minute box entry is where I got this set. Now dynamic entry, just like with the other setups, you can do one click or dynamic. The dynamic is simply, say it's a 5-minute box entry, so this entry would be around 93. Once the price hits 93, then at that point it goes into ready status, or it'll give you the alert if you only have the alert only version. If you accept the alert, then it will go into ready status, and then once it's in ready status, it will look for, in this case, if it's dynamic, then it'll wait for a 5-minute bearish candle and a break below that candle low. So that's what the dynamic is. Stops here, 70 and 100. I've got it set there because I let the dynamics work. When you're referring to pips, you do have to add an extra digit. So the 0, it looks like 700 for 70, and it looks for 1,000 for 100.